until Rose and Cups.
Just have to.
It's the best place to live in the world.
In Maine,
walk in and there is a
family of
To the financial.
It's your skills and labor. It should be your choice.
It's okay to take a leap of faith.
Let's go meet some great people.
Enjoy your design.
Parking.
Yes! Legal right. Your union.
And much of the water is saline.
And every day I face a different challenge that I have to solve.
I can find the time.
This is really good.
Feeding through.
it's for U.S. oil.
And oil is declining. And oil production is very...
Have your shoes? Okay.
You get to put your name up on the wall.
An anthem.
These guys are the real deal.
Yeah, that's right.